Coco, look at the water. He likes the water.
Spray one. There you go. He likes that one.
I gotta get in close to this one. Get around the other way.
When you spray it like a shower, he won't go for it.
He likes the hard water spray.
Yeah.
Oh, this has to go on YouTube. Oh my gosh, that is too hilarious. What a crazy little dog. His face is totally saturated.
Oh, Coco!
Crazy dog. Oh, that's so funny.
Oh.